Hello everybody, how you doing? Well, let me turn off this over here. Hello everybody, welcome to Bitcoin Daily. I don't know if it's daily, but we didn't do any video today, so we gotta do it right now. It wasn't on the plan today at all. I was at the theme park and I came home and I did some stuff. I'm pretty tired, so I want to go to sleep. Unfortunately for me, Bitcoin pumped like 5%, but more importantly, Ethereum is up right now 12%, guys. 12% right now. Look at the gap over here. This is a 30 minutes gap. I don't know, this is on Binance. This is a gap, guys. We got a gap on 30-minute chart on Binance. I have absolutely no clue how this happened, but there is a gap on the chart. 30 minutes gap. Let me see a lot of time frames up here. I have absolutely no idea how this happened. How could we get a gap on a chart on an exchange that's open 24/7, high volume, and you still got a gap of, I don't know how much this is. 6%. There's a 6% gap on the chart, Ethereum chart. So I didn't want to stream. I wanted to go sleep. Unfortunately, we gotta talk about what's happening, because this is not normal. 6% gap on a chart is not normal. Let me check out other charts. USDT. Let me see Qcoin over here. Does Qcoin have the same kind of gap? No, there is no gap in Qcoin over here. 30 minutes. So Qcoin is fine, but Binance exploded. I don't know who went first. What happened first? There is definitely gap over here. There is the 6 minutes, no gap on credit. Yeah, so it's only on Binance. I don't know, maybe it's a glitch or something like that. There should not be any kind of gap. And if you look at, for example, on Qcoin over here, on Ethereum, there is actually no gap, right? It just exploded. This literally exploded, I don't know, 10%. Give or take 10.3%. Let's from all the way from the bottom, 11%, 10.32% in matter of minutes. I mean, it is expensive. So that's why we are having the live stream right now. We gotta know what's happening on the chart, because it is important. As you see in the title, welcome to Altszn ? Maybe this is the start of the bigger move. What's happening on the chart over here? We still don't have any kind of Ethereum Bitcoin chart. There is still no breakout out of the zone towards upside. I mean, there is this channel that's been going on for literally ever. And we still haven't broken out of the channel or anything like that. But the pump is legit. The pump is legit. Not only that, Bitcoin dominance is down 1%. Bitcoin is up 5%. Bitcoin dominance is down 1%, guys. Bitcoin dominance is down 1% while Bitcoin is up 5%. Again, no breakdown just yet. We came again to this, these highs up here towards upside around 55-56%, and right now pulling down. But more important is that Bitcoin is up 5%, dominance is down 1%. Bitcoin is up 5%, Ethereum is up 12%. Altcoins are ripping through the roof. There is a lot of coins right now. Pepe up 15%, VIF up 10%, Lai is up 20%. I don't even know what this is. Uniswap up 13%, GMX up 13%, Arbitrum up 10%, OP up 12% right now. So a lot of these coins are up a huge amount right now towards upside. Maybe this is the start of the altcoin season, guys. I do not know. Inch up right now 16.32% towards upside. So we got a whole bunch of coins right now doing, double digits up here. Boson is up 14% up here towards upside. Bake up 10, but I don't know. Bake's always up like 10%. And Ethereum is up 12%. Insane moves, guys. Insane moves. Is the alt season right here? Is the alt season here right now? Is this over? I mean, if the alt season here, it's pretty much over, right? Alt season hits right now, it's pretty much over. So what do we expect? What's gonna happen? Now the Bitcoin has been very, very bullish lately. If you go over here to the Bitcoin chart, what you're gonna see here is a little bit, these lines up here. So over here I was talking about, how this rising wedge most likely we're gonna pull back, come into some kind of box, and then go towards upside. This box down here did not happen. We did not go into the box and then towards upside up here. This was my theory that this is gonna happen, because I was already bullish, and oftentimes when you get these, exhaustion extortion patterns towards upside and some kind of bullish trend, you go out of these extortion patterns, you get into some kind of box and continue towards upside. That did not happen. We just came, you know, came right back above the blue box over here. This is a small blue box. This is daily and the weekly resistance levels. We came above that box and exploded towards upside like crazy. You can see here, as soon as we closed up again above that box, we exploded. So we are extremely bullish right now. And what I did not notice, and I wrote this in the chat, you know, like an hour ago, something like that. If you go to the weekly time frame, guys, this is very important. If you go to the weekly time frame, look at the chart. Today is Monday. I did not even notice this because I haven't looked at that much at the charts all day. You know, I've been away, doing at this theme park all day with kids, and you know, I came home and I look at the chart. We just got a bullish engulfing candle over here. You see, bullish engulfing candle above the 10 moving average. And if you remember, I've been talking about how important it is to close, you know, above these moving. Once you have the bullish engulfing candles, how important it is to close above the moving averages with these candles. This actually closed above over here. I don't know if you can see that, but there is the line over here that goes towards upside. I don't know if you can actually remove this over here. The 10 moving average over here came right over there, give or take. And if you see over here right now, the bullish engulfing candle, the weekly candle did close above the 10 moving average, which is extremely bullish. And right now we're just popping through towards upside. Now the next major resistance level that's not broken is 67.2. We got a couple of more resistance levels up here towards upside. It needs to be broken, but you know, the fact that we are actually getting a bullish engulfing candle above 10 moving average, you know, bouncing towards upside, it looks very strongly bullish right now. Of course, every single bear is gonna come out of the cave and say that, you know, this is some kind of bull trap, is gonna pull back down. It can pull back down, but we are, you know, strongly bullish because we don't believe that the pattern has been creating over here for a very long time. Right now is any kind of topping out pattern. This, you know, needs to go a little bit higher towards upside, so we can create some kind of topping out pattern, and, you know, to say that, you know, maybe, just maybe, we are at some kind of top trend, right? Some kind of topping signal up here. What you're gonna see on this chart over here, there was a liquidity zone down here. This liquidity zone actually went all the way from this week down here. We came into the liquidity zone over here. We said this is probably the bottom up here. It was, there was bullish engulfing candle, pullback, double doji over here, or hammer, a pullback above the resistance level up here. There was a couple of major levels of resistance right over here. This is the blue box. We still on the this is a 3-day time frame. On the daily time frame, we still haven't closed above that. We came into the blue box, pulled back right now, bouncing above that blue box. This small blue box up here is a daily and weekly resistance level, and but more importantly right now, regardless of how you draw this channel towards the downside, unless you're drawing something like this over here or something like that, it looks good. It looks good. Let me just check it up here. If you just use the wicks over here on the top side, I mean, technically you could say that it's still in the channel because there is you know, option, you know, of this over here, and there is option of this over here as well, you know, so there are definitely options where we could be still in some kind of channel. I mean, there is always a channel, there is always a trend, there is always something that's going up there, up or down. But as you can see up here, you know, all of my channels that we had, you know, during this downtrend over here, there was this white channel over here. I expanded this white channel with some kind of yellow lines up here towards upside and downside. I mean, everything is broken. Even the blue box right now is getting broken towards upside, so it looks extremely bullish. Ethereum doesn't seem to stop 12.4% right now. Let me go to the, you know, 5-minute time frame over here. It's just consolidating up here, but, you know, because of whatever it's happening with Ethereum, the Binance chart is not actually that nice to look at. So there is definitely gonna come some kind of pullback eventually, and something like that. But it does look very good. It does look extremely good right now. And Bitcoin is right now already pulling back on the small time frames up here. Also, what you're gonna notice is that right now we did have the 4-hourly close over here. So all of these candles are 4-hourly candles. There's a big 4-hourly candles. As soon as we closed above the blue box over here, we exploded all the way up to 70k. Highest was 70 point something. So we are back above the 70k, guys. 17.4 was the highest level, but we did close above the 70k, 70.00. 2K, we closed above that. Right now we are pulling back, as you can see by this red candle, we are pulling back, but that's because we are having the you know, the 4-hourly close, and the 4-hourly close, you know, at the very start there will be some kind of pullbacks and so forth, so forth. Daily candles still haven't closed just yet, but you know, hopefully maybe just maybe there's a very good chance to close above 70K again towards upside. I mean, this just exploded through the roof, right? And the weekly time frame, we still got 6 days left and 4 hours left, so you know, we gotta wait a little bit how this actually they're gonna develop, but it does look very, very strongly bullish. But more important question, again, like the title said, welcome to Altszn, question mark. Is the alt season just yet? And what we are actually looking for when we're looking for altcoin season is the dominance chart. We are looking for dominance to start breaking this towards downside. Right now we see that Bitcoin is up 5%, but it's, you know, the dominance is down minus 1.3% right now. It's still pushing down. Still haven't broken the channel, the trend over here towards downside. Over here there was one breakdown, which was actually a sign of weakness over here. Pullback inside the channel. Over here there was support, bounced off that, but it looks like it's failing, getting above 56, and right now pushing down big time towards downside. I would say if this again goes towards downside up here, if it breaks the trend up here again towards downside, since we already had the sign of weakness, since we already have the, you know, the signs that, you know, the support is not holding, if it breaks it down here again, I think it might be already over, and then we are gonna be looking for the breakdown over here, lower low over here on the chart, and then everything starts, you know, crashing towards downside. And that is, ladies and gentlemen, altcoin season. But that is the big altcoin season. It's not one of these, you know, small altcoin season. That is this kind of altcoin season that we are looking for. You know, that is the end of the bull market altcoin season. That is when everything explodes, you know, 100x or something like that, crazy numbers towards upside. But this is what we are looking for. We are looking for the breakout. The breakout still not just yet there. It's close, not quite yet there. Another thing that we're looking for again, it's the Bitcoin, Ethereum Bitcoin chart. Ethereum Bitcoin chart still haven't broken towards upside, because we do know that once Ethereum starts breaking towards upside, you know, altcoins will follow. And right now, the fact that Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin this strongly, technically it's up almost 9% against Bitcoin. Bitcoin is up 5%. Ethereum Bitcoin chart is right now up 9%. So it is exploding. Right now, Ethereum is up 14% towards upside, 3.5K. Bears are getting smacked in the, you know, balls again. It is good times to be alive. I mean, it is. And if you remember, not so long ago, guys, not so long ago, a couple of months ago, everybody was talking about this is the double top over here, you know, it's gonna go down, it's pretty much over, and so forth, so forth. If you remember the weekly over here candle, sorry, this is Ethereum. Let's go to Bitcoin chart. If you remember the monthly candle, this is a bearish engulfing monthly candle. I had to explain a live on stream that the bearish engulfing candle is not actually that important if you do not break any kind of moving averages. What you're gonna see over here on the chart is that, you know, we did not break the 10 moving average. There is a bearish engulfing candle, but nothing happened. This, in fact, did happen. Bearish engulfing candle and a move towards upside did happen before, and I explained this over here on the chart. There was another move that looked like this right over here. This is 2015. Look what happened over here just before this actually exploded towards upside again. We had a bearish engulfing candle over here on the chart. Of course, didn't break any kind of moving averages. Held the support, bullish engulfing candle, some kind of consolidation for a couple of months, and exploded towards upside. Are we gonna have the same kind of, you know, event again? I don't know, but it kind of looks like that could be the case. So just because you have any kind of bearish engulfing candles, does not mean that you are technically bearish. Right now, we are so close. We are only like a couple of percentage points. 2.3% points right now, and 11 days left. 2.35% percentage points, 11 days left to get a bullish engulfing candle on the monthly time frame again. So just because you get a bearish engulfing candle does not mean that you are bearish, right? And you'll see over here the reason we are right now stupidly bullish is because we actually on the weekly time frame we got a bullish engulfing candle, but we got a bullish engulfing candle above the moving averages, which is a lot more important. Now Bitcoin's up 5%, dominance is down 1.5%, Ethereum's up 14%, exploding, literally exploding above the blue box. This is the blue box. You can see up over here that the major support level was around 3.5, another major major level support was around the 3.2. We came below all of that. We tried to get back inside of that, could not do that. Pulled back, right back above 10 moving average, right back above the blue box over here. Strongly bullish even on Ethereum right now, and Ethereum is right now outperforming Bitcoin by almost 10%. Guys, if this continues, this is very, very likely, you know, the next move, big move towards upside, just like over here, big move towards upside. I mean, these are the big moves that we are actually living for, right? So right now, this might be very, very close to this start of the very, very bullish big move towards upside. Now, how much is gonna go and, you know, what the targets are and stuff like that, you know, we're gonna look at that when we are a little less excited, but it does look very, very good. Do remember that once actually altcoin season start, Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin, right? Everybody is talking about, you know, how Ethereum is up. How much is Ethereum up? Ethereum is up 364% from the bottom towards the top, and Bitcoin is up something like 370. So Bitcoin is technically outperformed, did more than Ethereum overall since the very, very bottom down here at 15k. That said, by the end of the bull market, it is only natural for Ethereum and a lot of altcoins to outperform Bitcoin. You can understand that Bitcoin, even if it does 5, 6, 10x, whatever, this is the biggest market cap coin. This is a $1 trillion coin. This is a coin that cannot move, you know, 20, 30x like other coins can. Ethereum can still move that kind of those kind of moves. Maybe not, you know, the 50x or 100x or anything like that, but it can definitely move more than Bitcoin. What we are actually waiting for right now is for altcoins and Ethereum to outperform Bitcoin big time. That means, again, the dominance needs to drop towards downside. Right now, we are seeing that dominance actually dropping down to back down to support level. Still not on, you know, broken down yet. So maybe tomorrow, maybe this week or not, or something like that. But it does look very, very strongly bullish. Okay, I'm out of breath. I think I said everything. Right now, Ethereum's up 15.12%, not stopping. Will this be a 20% move today, ladies and gentlemen? I don't know. Anyways, let's read the chat a little bit because I've been ignoring you guys because I needed to vent a little bit, get it out of my system before I got to chat. Hit the like skull here. By the way, guys, if you're not in our public Telegram channel, you're welcome to do that. Hit the like skull here in the chat. Good vibes, exactly. Holochain isn't blockchain. Ooh, man, don't let one Lesla hear you, man. Good morning. Yeah, good chance ETF will get approved now. Altszn. I have absolutely no clue. Maybe this is some kind of a X stuff. You know, did Ethereum get any kind of Ethereum no pro play and trade? Yeah, Ethereum is definitely trending, but there is no ETF approval, you know, tweets or anything like that. It just rumors so far. So there is nothing right now. There is Security and Exchange Commissioner asked exchanges to update 19B4 filings on an accelerated base for spot Ethereum ETFs, Coindex reports. So Coindesk is reporting. Maybe it's news. I don't know. Maybe it's news pumping. But we have already, been waiting for the pump. So when you look at, for example, Bitcoin pump, this is not unexpected. We are bullish. We are just waiting for the pump. So whether that's some kind of news that's gonna pump it or not, regardless, we don't care. But you know, we have already been waiting for that. The Beauty, I think the pump is real. The pump is definitely real, guys. The Beauty, what's up, man? How you doing? Bitcoin went 17.365. No gap on Kraken. Injective protocol 14%. Yeah, 16 by the time I looked at it. Lead up 16%. Any VeChain news? Oh man, let's look at a VeChain. VeChain right up 6%. And where are my lines on VeChain? I think I lost the lines. I think the lines are goes all the way up there. So right now the VeChain target is up 446%. If you've been watching my other videos, you know that I've been looking at this very high target for VeChain, and it's still the target. So right now it's on 46% towards upside. Absolute legend one last one in the chat. How you doing, man? Caught up 8%. God candle, definitely God candle for the Ethereum. Ethereum is up 15%. Whether that's because of the news or just because reasons, it is going higher, guys. It is definitely going higher, and it's the good times are about to come. And if you've seen right now, summer came to Norway very, very early, so everybody's out there having good times, and there is absolutely no or, you know, no trace of anything bearish on the charts, which is actually very, very good. ICP up 5%, very nice. VLD, I don't know. Area Tech generates free energy, probably. Altszn, yeah, man. My wrong, I guess. ICP headed back to 21. How's ICP doing? I really don't care about ICP that much, but I do see that some people are talking about it. ICP right now on this weekly time frame, daily time frame over here. Right now, bullish engulfing candle on the daily time frame. How much is this up right now? 5.6%, not much actually. Let's look at a monthly time frame up here. For ICP, it had this you know, almost bearish engulfing, but it didn't have bearish engulfing candle. So right now just consolidating on the moving averages, so I definitely can see that ICP continues towards upside. I don't know whether if it's ever gonna get back to, you know, $300-400 or anything like that, but it definitely looks like it wants to bounce off of these moving averages. The pump is real. Frankness in the chat, how you do, man? Solana up 9%. Solana is going to 1,000 is wrong. 1,000 will be the most bullish case, I think, but 500 is not off the table. I mean, do not underestimate the bull market and the pumps, guys. Do not underestimate the bull market and the pumps. Oftentimes the people think, there is no way this thing can do 10x or 20x or you know, 100x. And you know, during the bull market, man, when euphoria gets high, when retail gets in, when everything starts pumping, only good news all over the place. You look at a window and there is, you know, sun shining, rainbows and, you know, unicorns and all of that kind of shebang is all over the place. You look up and there is, you know, full moon on, you know, on the clear sky. There is literally no limit how high we can go. They raised the ETF chance of approval this week to 75%. Will happen 2 hours ago. Yeah, looks like something is accelerating the ETFs. Maybe that's why Ethereum is pumping because of this ETF news. Dow Jones average down 0. Nobody cares, man. Nobody cares. Realistically, ETF should be approved. There's 0 reasons why they should give the Bitcoin ETF, but the SEC is pretty whack. And they're just waiting for something. What are they waiting for? I don't know. Mr. Crypto Pump Trump RFK might be in the debate. I mean, there is definitely gonna be meme coins. I haven't been watching meme coins right now, but you know, meme coins will definitely. Right now, you just saw that Pepe is up something like 15%. Pepe up 15% right now. Let's go to the daily time frame over here. Pepe up 15%. Dogecoin up 5%, hitting the 50 moving average. Shiba up 4%. Bonk up 5%. VIF up 11%. Elon up 10%. Floki up another 8%. But you know, these are not anything special numbers. Anything, you know, only Pepe is up 15%, but these, you know, 5 to 8% levels are nothing special because literally everything else does, you know, these 8-7%, like everything is above Bitcoin. That's for sure. That's why Bitcoin dominance is crashing down right now. Uniswap up 16%. It's too early for bull market. This is a fake out. This is guys, this is very important. It's too early for bull market. This is a fake out. If you remember back in the you know, 2021 or 2022, when was that? If you remember back down here back in 2022 when we were at the bottom, we have been talking about when we are expecting bull market to come in, right? We have been expecting when we have been talking about when we are expecting. This is 2025 up here. We've been talking about, just like everything else, when we were down here, we've been talking about you know, when the bull market top is gonna come in. So everybody's, even ours theory by that time was, you know, sometimes in 2025. Seeing the rapid, you know, moves of this towards upside, I don't see 2025 as a natural top of the bull market just right now. I see it very close. Maybe this summer, maybe a little bit above the summer, September, October, November, something like that. Maybe that's when you're gonna hit the top and pull back. This time the heck could be different. You know, do not assume that because something's happened before it's gonna happen again, right? So we are looking right now at summer. Maybe after summer, give or take, when people are extremely bullish. As soon as euphoria hits, Bitcoin falls down, all the metrics goes through the roof, you know, everything gets overbought, overextended and stuff like that. It's over. Regardless whether that's summer, you know, October, September, November 2025, regardless of the date, once that happens, it's over. So we are watching the, you know, metrics on the chart and trying to figure out when it's gonna be, you know, be over. But there is right now a good chance it's gonna be over here just by, you know, by the end of the summer. August is done. Who knows? Who knows? Anybody 10x leverage? No, we don't do that over here, man. WeChat has liquidity to be taken to 0.15. I see it going there fast. Don't be bearish during the bull market, man. Crypto size next US president. Check VLD, please. I don't want to check that thing, man. That's stupid. MAGA Trump up 8%. How long fake out last? Depends. They are pretty quick. Maybe a day or something like that before they come down. Depends on euphoria, right? When stuff's pumped, you know, if there is no euphoria, no nothing, you know, the fake out will go down pretty fast. So if there is some price and you got some kind of breakout, this move towards upside will just consolidate and will go right back down very fast within hours if there is no euphoria. Right now there is stupid amount of euphoria, so this you know, gigantic move towards upside, if it's a fake out, can take a long time because there is a lot of people right now getting bullish. And if it's you know, if it turns out that this is, you know, some kind of, you know, bull trap or anything like that, it's gonna right back down again. We don't see that happening, guys. We are extremely bullish on this channel. Been watching you for 3 years. You're the man. Sam J, how you doing, man? Anyways, guys, I gotta go to sleep. It is stupidly bullish, but I just had to, you know, do a quick live stream, Bitcoin Daily, just to tell you what's actually going on. Because I didn't want to, you know, Bitcoin up 5% is not that actually interesting. Ethereum being up 13%, 15% on all the way up to the top is actually very significant, and that's why we are doing this Bitcoin Daily, because Ethereum doing 15% is significant. Bitcoin doing 5% is not. Bitcoin doing 5% is like, you know, guys, we can talk about it tomorrow, you know. Well, you know, it's a 5% move, it's above the resistance level, it's a good move, it's a bullish move, it's nice, but nothing to do a live stream about, you know. On the other hand, Ethereum doing 15%, breaking the trend above the blue box, ETF news, whatever that is very important, guys, very important. So that's why we're doing it. And you can see also right now that definitely right now altcoins are reacting very good to the pump, which gets me to believe it's not a fake pump, it's not bull trap, it's not anything. We've been bullish very strongly ever since this bottom over here. There is a live stream that we had. This is the bottom, literally on the day over here. Literally on the day, we had a live stream. I don't have that many live streams, so, you know, go back down to, you know, first or second bay or whatever that is. This is the bottom. Where is it? The late adopter. There we go. Over here. If you got our videos over here, no, live streams over here. With Ambra and so being about to pump. This is it. This is the bottom. 2 weeks ago, which date was that? May 1st, 2024. This is it. This is the bottom. It was the bottom down here. This is the May 1st over here. That was the bottom, guys, right? So we've been very strongly bullish once we did the move inside liquidity box over here, because you know, there's definitely a reason why that should have been the bottom, and after that it's just been slowly climbing towards the upside. So the bullishness has definitely been climbing right now. Right now what I see happening over here on the chart is that right now we are getting a lot more of these bears being in disbelief, thinking it's gonna drop towards the downside. I still don't see you know, FOMO kicking in just that high, because people are very bullish, but right now they think it's gonna be some kind of fake out, some kind of bullshit. It's gonna go right back down again. So I think it needs to climb a little bit higher until the first FOMO starts, and then once it starts breaking 80k, every single bear, including you know, crypto savvy and a capo and whatever, I really don't care. They're gonna be start FOMO into this, and this is gonna go very high. Once this actually happening, once all the bears actually start FOMOing in, once we get this, you know, huge euphoria, retail coming in and all of that shebang, it's pretty much over, guys. Once Bitcoin tops out, remember, 1-2 months and it's over, guys. 1-2 months and it's over, regardless of the date. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna see you tomorrow morning, Bitcoin Daily, 9 AM on the dollar, hopefully. And we're gonna see if the pump actually was sustained. It looks good, guys. Enjoy the night, and I'll see you tomorrow. But it was important to do the real live stream. It was important to do. Hit the like button on the way out, and of course, do join us in our, you know, public Telegram chat. I'm not saying that you have to join our public Telegram chat, man. No pressure. It's no group pressure. But if you want, you know, you can. It's public. It's free. You know, why wouldn't you do free stuff? You know. So if you want to join our public, free, open for everybody group Telegram chat, you're welcome to do that, man. Anyways, guys, have a nice night. I'm still gonna watch the charts, you know, from my bed, but I need to calm down so I can sleep a little bit. and I'll see you tomorrow. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Very, very nice pump. I just saw the pump. Enjoy your sleep. 2 p.m. Las Vegas. Power nap. This feels strong pump. Good. That was next. UFO is real. I did stuff for free. Now I'm father. Thank you so much from California. Enjoy the night, guys. I'm out. Where is my outro? Bye-bye.